Sam, wake up, you lazy loser. It's 7 a.m. You're still sleeping like a bear.
Just 5 minutes.
5 minutes. You said that yesterday and missed the bus, your job interview, and your dignity. Get up now.
Oh man, why? Can't you wake me up gently? Like play some nice piano music?
Come, come. Ha 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 ha. I'm not a yoga teacher, baby. I'm the alarm clock, the king of waking up. My job is to wake you up from your sweet dreams and throw you into reality. Do you want to sleep all your life? Fine, but don't cry when you're 40 and still living in your mom's room. You're so slow. You have an important meeting today, and you still haven't ironed your shirt. Do you even know where the shirt is? No, of course not.
Oh man, you're more annoying than my mom waking me up. You can't be an alarm clock like other people, waking me up with a soft song.